Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First off, going back to the whole 30-minute time frame, especially in this case, check out the final 30 minutes of the day shown by that volume bar right there. Absolutely massive volume showed up the last 30 minutes of the day, and yeah, the price reacted nicely with the green candle. But I mean, if you kind of just scan things through here over the past several weeks or past couple of weeks, I mean, today's final 30 minutes was the biggest volume that I'd seen for quite a while. So we'll see if this is a leading indicator of a bigger breakout move to happen or not. And then the other thing that's pretty interesting here is there's this overall chart pattern. So the resistance of it right up there around the 208 mark, and then you have this trend line part of it. So this is what you would call a bull pennant, ascending triangle, a wedge pattern, lots of different ways to kind of view it. But the key thing here is the story behind it, and the story behind it is that, yeah, the bulls are quietly pushing higher and higher and higher. However, on the flip side of things, the bears are also acting pretty stubborn up around the 208 mark and have never let the price really get any sort of genuine breakout with continuation. So this is definitely going to be a pattern that a lot of people are watching. So by no means am I trying to come across like nobody else has noticed this pattern. Quite the opposite. I assure you, people that understand charts and use charts have noticed this pattern and are wondering the same things. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. And that's what we have going on here with this pattern here. So definitely keep a very close eye on that 208 mark, as that's a key level of resistance. In the event that 208 mark can be broken, want to get a level of resistance here mapped out. So again, on any sort of technical breakout, where would be the next key level after the 208 mark? And that would be right, let's see, there at about $2.15. So 208, 215, next couple of key levels of resistance. All in all, though, from the bigger picture point of view, which we have here, just continue to focus on those higher lows. As you see here with the higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, that is the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.